Abby was able to finish off all her work, at least to a stopping point anyway, where she could take the rest of the day off. So we just had us an awesome lunch at the 1998 Cafe, and we are headed to Manatee Springs. Really excited to see this. I hope it's pretty and the water's clear. So we're going to share it with you when we get there, all right? We're just taking a drive through the campground just to kind of see what it looks like. This is just one loop. There's several loops in here. Well, I think we made it down to where the springs are at now. There's a big parking lot here, so they accommodate a lot of folks. That's pretty right there. It's like, it sort of has the pool smell. Like it smells like you're at a swimming pool. There she is. There's a lot of people here today too, man. What do you think?
I think it's awesome. It does look nice and clear.
I think it gets a lot more clear than that, but it's pretty clear. You can still tell that it's up. I'm assuming the spring must be right over here at the end. It is nice and clear.
Yeah.
Really pretty. It is nice and clear. It's a little more chaotic than I thought it was going to be today. There's a lot of people here.
Everybody looks like they're having a great time though.
Yep.
That water is so pretty.
Yep.
Is that waterproof? That's awesome.
Yeah, that's what you built on, so.
What kind is it?
It says a brown water snake. It said in that poison.
Brown water snake.
I know, and then they'll wait good.
Look at the school of fish. It looks like mullet.
Yeah, it does.
The school of mullet over there. See them all? They got canoe rentals here, so you can take your canoe or kayak out as well through the spring. All right, I'm suited up. I'm gonna get in the spring. Abby got me some noodles because we forgot to bring ours. They're back at the camper. So they sell those there. They got a few supplies up in the store there that you can get some things. So we're gonna get in the water. I'll take the camera with me.
It's hot, so it's perfect.
It'll be really nice
What
once
is
we
it,
get in.
72 degrees?
It's the sign says the water's 72, but it probably is going to feel a lot colder than that. So we'll see if we can, if I can get through there. Everybody's congregating on the steps, so I'll give it a minute and push my way through there.
Can you stand on this one? Perfect the same.
All right, I made it.
Yes.
All right, this will be the first time putting the camera in the water.
He can't wait to see me tomorrow.
Hopefully it works.
I don't know. Hell, my routine for the year.
Hopefully it's working. We are having ourselves a beer.
Yes, we are.
Yep. Let's see if I can do the one-handed crack there. I got a Yingling. I got Abby her Ultra.
Mm-hmm.
This is nice and refreshing after a day in the water. That was awesome. It's very wet, very refreshing, and the water's nice and cold. Once you get in, it feels great. It's awesome swimming around in there. Hopefully the camera got some cool video of the spring itself. You know, I didn't have my goggles, so I couldn't see. I can't open my eyes down in the water like that. So I just put the camera down in there, just tried to move it around nice and slow, and hopefully it looks cool. So I really enjoyed my visit here at the Manatee Springs. Just gonna drink me a beer now and dry off. Enjoy the rest of the day.
I have no idea how much you wanted to go to the spring.
You had no idea?
I knew, but they don't. You have been so excited.
I've been trying to get to a natural spring like this for a while, and we finally got to one. Fanning was closed because you saw it was flooded.
And
But-
creepy.
Yeah, real creepy looking, but it's probably just like this whenever it's nice.
Cheers.
So, cheers. Enjoy my time here.